Service-based business is one of the easiest business you can start because you're starting it with little or no capital. In this instance, I mean, once your customer requests or requires for your service, that's when you charge them and you can also use it to purchase the things you need to render the service to them. Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tuch, and on this channel we'll talk about how to improve your brand and also grow your business. Number one on my list is laundry service. You can actually start a laundry business with just little capital, which is just getting your detergent and also getting some other essential chemicals that you would need for bleaching or washing out things on your customers' clothes and all of that. Also getting things like iron that you would need to use to iron the clothes, and probably your, just basic things that you need for the business just for a start before you make it larger or start getting a better customer base for the business, for you to start investing in other bigger things like washing machine and all of that. The second on my list is cleaning service. Cleaning service, this you can start in a very small scale, like cleaning of people's compounds for them, cleaning of new houses, cleaning of offices, and cleaning of other things, just cleaning up environments for people who don't have time to do it themselves, and also new houses. This also, you might need chemicals, for cleaning of stains on the towels, and also like people that need on their couch. Next on my list is fumigating services. This is very close to the cleaning service agents because they also do similar things like the cleaning services. They have to fumigate with chemicals that they need. So once your customer pays upfront, you can actually use the money to purchase the things that you need to fumigate, like your gadgets to cover your body and your nose while fumigating. Next is barbering salon. This one you need a little skill because you need to learn how to cut hair, you need to learn how to, shaping the hair and all of that. So you will need a skill, like you need to learn from someone. Next is nail technicians. These nail technicians, they also learn, it's a skill, so you need to learn how to do it and learn how to do it very well. You can have different services in the nail technician industry, right? So you know how to do the manicure, the pedicure, even the facials. You should be able to also know how to do it if you really want to explore in this aspect of business. Definitely you'll be needing capital for this because obviously you have to pay for the skill, you have to buy some things that you need for the studio, your cutters and all of that. So you are going to be needing capital. However, you can still start on a small scale before you improve and start growing the brand. You don't really need a lot of aesthetics as a growing brand, but as time goes on, you can then decide to impute one or two things in your store, or you can even start rendering service like home service and all of that. Coming up is real estate agency. So this one you can actually start in a small scale because once people say real estate, they look at it like you have to have your big estate, you have to have connections to do this one. You can start like an agent that looks for houses for people, an agent that gets locations for people, agent that helps people to look for locations when they need party and all of that. You can start from that before you scale into the bigger aspect of probably selling land and renting out houses and also building houses, you understand? So you can start from a small scale and then keep moving from there. So guys, these service-based businesses are very legit. They are things that you can start on a small scale and then you keep moving and keep going higher. With consistency, you can actually achieve it to get bigger. So I'm going to see you in my next one. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and also click on the notification bell to get notification whenever I post new videos. See ya. Bye.